Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about these coverado car seat covers. Now I do want to give a big shout out and a thank you to the guys at Coverado for sponsoring this video. But with that being said, let's get started and unbox it. And here they are. Now I got the red color, just by the looks of it already I could tell they look nice. So here it is. Now this right here is for the front seats. They look really nice. The design, perforated leather, and it has the name right here of the brand, buttons, and just by the quality and feel of them, they feel really nice. So don't forget to check out the coupon code for 10% off your order of Coverado seats. With that being said, let's go ahead and install them. To install these, you're going to want to put this first. This goes over your seat. It's going to be a lot easier if you do this through the back. Okay, so once you get it on there, fold it down, you put on your headrest, make sure you secure your strap like that, and you go ahead and install your plastic fasteners, and these are going to go in between the seats, so just lean this back. So once you got them in, they come out in the back there. And now back here, put these right here, on these just go like this. Put the strap in between here, so just like this. Now you can go ahead and hook this securely underneath here. Repeat the same step for the other strap. Now this is just the front seats. Let's go ahead and finish up at the bottom. So this right here, you go ahead and put these hooks on these straps right here. So these straps are going to go under here. These buckles go under here as well. Slip those through the seat, and these are going to meet up towards the back. Make sure these go through the bottom. These are going to go through the bottom in there as well. Make sure you buckle up your seats just like that, and repeat the same for the other side. Now for the back headrest, just go ahead and put it like that, and repeat the same step for these. Lift them up, bring this over to the inside, and there you go, it's tucked in nicely. And repeat the same process for the other one. Install this top part of the seat. You're going to have to remove these headrests. It's very easy. Just press these two clips in and it comes off. Once you have them in there, you can go ahead and put them back. Now just go ahead and open this up, and back here is where you're going to go ahead and connect all these on the buckles as well. This is how it's going to connect on the back side of it. Just make sure this clears so that you can continue opening your back seat. Next is going to be this one. Super simple. Just go ahead and put those straps through there, pick it up, and this is going to go through this loop, and this bottom buckle is going to buckle. So let me show you the final result here. So it's the same thing. Just take up the top headrest, and then you could just go ahead and put it right back on, just like that. Now get your straps, unbuckle them, and you're going to tuck them underneath the seat. The easiest way is to tuck them in like that, and then fold the seat down. Then get your side straps as well, and put the buckle through that strap so it fits the seat tightly. Just get your buckle, put it through the straps like I said earlier, and just buckle them up. Once you do that, do the same for the other side. This, just like that. And then make final adjustments to get the seat cover on properly. And once you install them correctly, the seats look practically factory. They do look really nice and great finish. They also stay on because they're strapped from the bottom of the seat. So final verdict on this, they are very nice. They do stick on really good, so that is a plus on these seats. There's some other car seat covers that usually come off as soon as you sit down on them. These don't, because they're strapped from the bottom. Overall, the finish quality feels great and sturdy, feels pretty strong, so hopefully they do last a good while. Now the stitching is really nice, as well as a perforated leather. And like I said, these have that strap on the back of the bench or the seat, which is what helps to keep them in place. So I do want to give a big shout out to Coverado for sending these out. Now we will be doing a longevity test on these, so stay tuned for that. But overall, I'm very happy with the quality of these seat covers, and it was very easy to install. With that being said, we'll catch you guys on the next one.